Hello everyone, I'm Rodney Reynolds, and welcome to episode 1 on a game called Cities Skylines. So I'm not going to cover a whole lot in this episode, just to introduce what I'm going to do here, which is basically build a city. I'm probably going to create my own map because I've created a few maps in the past, and I love doing that because, it's unique and it's interesting, and sometimes they don't work, sometimes they do work, but it's just a little bit more of a challenge. So in the next episode, I'll just be going over this interface here, starting from basics, and we'll just go from there and take this journey together. So I hope you will join me. So if you like content like this, remember to subscribe, and you can also consider turning on notifications to get notified when I release a new video, as well joining my Patreon page. All the links are down below. I will see you in the next one.